It's day 4. We're at the first spot this morning, right off of the island again. Dad, what color you got on?
I got perch.
You got perch on? I got Princetown purple on. So we'll see what we can snatch up this morning. It's about 10 o'clock. Mine?
Wow.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez. The birds. Because the wind did switch a little bit. It's from coming out of the northeast instead of...
I got one.
You got one?
Yep.
Alright, nice one. Do we need to get pull in?
Oh, man.
That's a nice ball. Man, you don't.
I got him.
You got the pliers? He's a 22. 22.
Yeah. What's that? I got the death grip on him. He ain't going nowhere. Need the net?
Yeah, it's still down.
Yeah, that's a nice one. It's a bass.
Yeah. 28 inches.
Man, pull.
That's a 19.
He's small. Ah, I lost him.
Oh yeah, give me the net.
Dad with another decent one. Dad with another decent one.
You need a net?
I don't think so. I got him.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, it's small.
Nice one. Man. Small? Woo! There's... Oh!
She said, I see the water. I'm making my way back.
I think, yeah. You want to put... What is that? Oh, it is a bass.
Nah, it's small. Really small.
You like that black and silver.
He's got the teeth. You can't handle the truth.
This is a big fish.
Oh yeah.
Oh! That was a big fish. Big walleye. That's why they call it fishing, not catching.
Yep. So we're about to start off at the, the night spot out here. This is where we just snatch them up left and right. So it's about 7:03 on the 4th day. We're about to just catch them left and right out here. So Let's see what we can pull out of these waters. Let's see what we can pull out of these waters, all right? Right, Dad?
That's right.
That's right. Dad's got on a clown color. I've got on a fire tiger pink. This is what I'm rocking with over here. So we'll see. I got a few other colors lined up, but we'll see. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. That is a fish. Nah, it's small. Come here, little buddy. Woo! I would stick my hand in your mouth, but I don't want those problems, and I don't think you do either.
Stand on too, boys. Nice one.
Nice. We made it to a new spot. Sorry for the vlog.
7 to 18. That's a nice one.
Oh, we doubled up, Dad. We doubled up.
Well, mine is on top, so.
Oh! It had both of us. That's funny. He's wild for that.
That is. You need a net?
Preferably, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one, buddy.
Do that again.
Oh.
Let's not lose this one.
Yeah.
Nice.
19.
And a half. We didn't double up on the same fish this time. He ate this one. Look at that. Just came right out.
Oh, good. Huh?
So you gotta hold him a little tighter than that.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, let's go.
Nice one. Huh? Nice.
I set the hook on that one.
No.
He's not coming off. Come on.
Is he wrapped?
Nope.
Let's see.
Yep. Nice. That was 3. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, look at that sunset.
Yeah.
It's day 5 out here. We're on our way to the boat. About to go. We're going to the islands again, Dad?
We're going somewhere. Yeah, probably.
So we're just gonna get out there. So I'll see you guys on the water.
Well, good luck. So you
We don't need luck, we got skill.
you guys are fishing.
whatever.
We don't need luck, we got skill. So yeah, we just got to the first spot. Coming over some rocks right now. But yeah, we just got to the first spot, you know, testing out this island and whatnot. And then we'll move over to Oak Island, see what we can catch over there. See what we can get popping. It was a bumpy ride out here though. That's for sure. A very bumpy ride out here. There they go. Just like yesterday, this is right after we got our first hit. Oh, just kidding. It's a bass.
A bass? Nice little bass. Nice little trunk.
Nice little guy. So we just got to spot number 3. Spot 1 and 2 weren't doing us so well. So yeah, spot number 3. Still tossing the same bright orange. Dad, what are you tossing? The green fire tiger.
Action.
What?
This big. Dogs don't fight like this.
Oh, nice. Got him.
That's bigger than the other one.
Yeah. Oh. Nice. That thing is massive. Wow. All right.
All right.
Ooh. Look at that.
Huge. Okay.
Jesus. There he goes.
There he goes.
Yes!
Yes! You see him just zoom, take off?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna retie.
Retie. You might need some new hooks after that. Nice one, Dad. Nah, it's small. Ah, sick.
I bless that you forgive, I bless it that you learn from a loss, I bless it that you
It's nice.
to attract somebody.
Oh, that's 22.
Ain't nobody but the mirror looking for the fall off.
It's a bass.
Oh, you got him. Small one. That's one.
Sorry, buddy. This will look good. Little thumper.
Yeah. Yes. 17.
Nice.
Nice.
Reporting here live from Lake of the Woods. We got a storm in the distance over there, but our fish are right here, so we are going to try and catch these fish before the storm catches up to us. Dad, what are you tying on today?
I'm gonna tie on a fire tiger
Fire tiger, what color?
green.
Fire tiger green. I have on a fire tiger. Oh, we're gonna have the same color on. I have fire tiger green already on,
Yeah.
but it's a size 5. You know, we're gonna catch some fish before this storm hits us.
That's a nice one.
Gotta get him with the death squeeze.
No.
Oh yeah, let's go. Nice. Not really. I already got him. Yes, nice. He just 2. Nice. That's 4 already. I said that's 4 already. Dad with another little guy. Mine's is on the way.
See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile. Alright, so that was fishing with Dad on day 4 and 5 up at Lake of the Woods, and then the next video is day 6, and that just has all of the best catches. You get a lot of releases, a lot of funny parts. Please go ahead and drop your favorite part of any of the catches down in the comment section. I will like and respond to as many as I can, given it'll probably be all of y'all because I don't have that many followers yet. But hey, if I get a lot of subscribers, best believe I'm gonna try and make sure that I am engaging with most of y'all. So please go ahead, drop a comment down in the comment section of your favorite part in any of these videos. And then the next video is day 6. So let me know what y'all think.